Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm kicking off a brand new series, The Hunt for my next motorcycle. Join me as I test ride a variety of bikes to find the perfect match. So I have come here at the Triumph showroom and my plan is to test the Triumph Scrambler 400X. So back when the Speed 400 was launched, I had taken a test ride of that bike and I didn't get a chance to ride the Scrambler 400X after it was launched. So I am really curious to know how different it is from the Speed 400. So are you excited to find out as well? Let's go. Let's test the Scrambler 400X. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, the gearing is a little disconnected, I feel. Feels weird to ride it. Okay, this one's definitely a new bike. Taking a little bit of effort to go into first from neutral. Suspension is definitely good. Okay, seating position is comfortable. The engine is the same as the Speed 400, so it doesn't seem to have a punch. Like the Himalayan that I rode, it definitely had a punch. This one is more easygoing. Let's try to see if it goes fast. Okay, it does have a good pickup. Straddling is also comfortable. I don't think on this bike also I will need handlebar extenders. Of course, this meter console, I'm not liking it so much. Analog and digital. It doesn't feel fancy enough for a bike which costs more than 2.5 lakhs. Almost 3 lakhs, I'm sure. The engine is definitely easygoing. It didn't mind being in a higher gear even at a low speed. The tank is nice and big, but it doesn't seem to be too long. My arms are not feeling stretched or anything like that. Good pickup. Braking is also good. Not bad. The speed increases very deceptively. I didn't realize I was over 80 kilometers per hour. That's nice. There's the Himalayan 450. That suspension is definitely softer than this, I can tell for sure. When I was going over the bumps, I definitely felt I needed to straddle. As compared to the Himalayan, was definitely more comfortable. Man, it's really hot. But I did want to take this test drive for a very long time. And I know test drives are hard work, but ultimately I know it's going to be worth it. Switch gears of pretty high quality. It feels good to touch. I think this bike is comfortable at lower speeds, even in higher gears. Not like a KTM, that's for sure. I will be comparing all the bikes that I test to KTM, right? That's the bike that I have, after all. Okay guys, so tell me, what did you think about my test ride of the Triumph Scrambler 400X? I think I liked it. And now that we are done with the test ride, let's dive into the tech specs of the bike. It comes with a 398.15cc liquid-cooled engine paired with a 6-speed transmission. It features ride-by-wire acceleration and switchable traction control. Max power is rated at 39.5 bhp all the way up to 8000 rpm, which makes this bike very tractable in my opinion. It also features dual-channel ABS brakes, which are a must-have for such a bike. It comes with a 19-inch front and a 17-inch rear wheel, which is similar to the KTM Adventure. It weighs 185 kgs, which is interesting because it didn't feel so heavy on my test ride. The fuel tank is 13 liters, which I feel could have been larger. Seat height is at 835 mm, however, I was easily able to flat foot on both sides. Ground clearance is 195 mm, which gives the bike a decent off-road capability. And finally, the on-road price, Rs 3,26,160 as of May 2024 in Pune. So that's it for this review. I hope you enjoyed it and found it useful. Please do subscribe. While it is free for you, it helps me big time. And finally, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.